welcome with Cooking with Kirk.
Tell them who you is.
My name is Lil No Knife.
This Lil No Knife, this big No Knife. And what we cooking today, baby? What you said you wanted to cook?
Cooking spaghetti.
We cooking spaghetti. What we cooking?
Spaghetti.
We cooking spaghetti, man. You know what I'm saying? This big No Knife, Lil No Knife, and baby No Knife. Tell them what your name is.
Baby No Knife.
Baby No Knife, nigga. Let's do it. What's your ingredients today, Lil No Knife?
My ingredients is some corn, ground beef.
90-10. We do 90-10 ground beef over here in the Kirk household. What else you got, twin?
And you know, we got the spaghetti. You know what's going on.
What you gonna do with these spaghetti noodles, Lil No Knife?
We put them in the water.
You know what you're doing. I ain't got to be in your way. Don't lift it up like that like you're scared of it. You scared?
Mm-mm.
This your first time boiling noodles?
No.
All right, act like it, baby. Me and Lil No Knife get the bumping heads in the kitchen because we got strong personalities or whatever.
Why did I put that coat?
What you got to do before you cook your corn, No Knife? You got to clean it.
I'll put the corn in there. You know what's going on.
Lil No Knife extra, man. Lil No Knife lingo been crazy since she was born, so she like to add little stuff in there like you know what's going on and all that other type stuff. What you do with that thing that the corn came in when you done with it, Lil No Knife?
You put it in the trash.
Okay then. It's me and Lil No Knife. You know what I'm saying? Me and Lil No Knife.
Can I help you?
So we just got that clean the corn. You know what's going on.
What's that, Lil No Knife?
Butter. Some butter.
Yeah. What we gonna do with the butter, baby No Knife?
Spread it.
That's what that's what I'm talking about, baby No Knife. We gonna spread it.
Yeah.
What you do after you spread your butter on your corn, baby No Knife?
Put it in the oven.
Let's do it.
Give me a 5, Velo.
What you do to keep your noodles from sticking together, Lil No Knife?
You hit him with some olive oil.
Sit down.
All right, yeah. You won't mix that up in there.
Let me see you cook it. Cook it. Let me see you cook it.
Fun fact, what a lot of people don't know, I was gonna create a cooking show for my baby maybe like 2 years ago. She got a cooking song, music video for it, the whole concept for a cooking show and everything. I just made you upset bringing that up?
No.
Okay. What's your song called, your cooking song? Called
Cook.
Come Get Cooked.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, let's go to the song real quick.
Cook, yeah, cook, yeah, cook.
What is this?
That's ground beef, baby No Knife.
This is ground beef.
Yeah, let's go put it in the pot. Come on.
Now you finna start cooking our brown beef.
What you doing with them brioche bread rolls, No Knife? We slapping them on the pan, getting them ready for some garlic butter. Hey. What we do before we start cooking, Lil No Knife?
We wash our hands.
We gonna go in, Mrs. Dash.
And what you want?
That one.
That one here.
A little lobbies.
Say, a little old bay.
A little baby.
No, whoa.
I want baby.
One more time.
A old baby.
You heard the nigga, an old bay.
Sorry.
I ain't do that.
Sorry, Daddy.
It's okay.
So this happened.
It's okay, Bookie.
Now my assistant chef gonna add a little onion.
Can I do the onions?
Don't want to put too much onions now.
Too much onions.
Funky. My daddy know how to cook. He's the real chef around here.
Hello.
Mine.
One thing about twin, before she tell a lie, she'll tell you nothing.
Especially my daddy. You know how to get down.
It's one of your favorites.
Yeah, but Mikado's my favorite too.
What you like from the Catos?
I like the noodles and rice and stuff. The chicken be hidden. Oh, but like the chicken that there, it be cool, but the chicken that you made, it be busting.
Like I said, in the Catos, Kabutos, Benehanas, it's stamped. You see what I'm saying? One thing about twin, before she tell a lie, she tell you
Nothing.
nigga. Yeah, you talking about.
But don't scratch the bottom of it.
Can I?
What we gonna do with that spaghetti sauce, twin?
We're gonna pour it down there.
Oh.
Now if you put too much, it will overflow. You won't really get the taste of the meat. Like, don't do that. The whole thing.
You wanna stir it a little bit? Go ahead, boo.
Stir, Vila. Show them how it's done. Oh.
Okay, good job.
He does.
Yeah, good job. Good job.
I'm not. It's okay. I spit it right there.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. Your daddy's just gonna clean it, right?
Uh-huh.
You cook, I'ma clean. Do your thing.
We have to do at least something for you. You give us everything.
Oh, you look at you just telling it like it is today, huh? Don't tell them folks all the business.
That's not all the business.
We gonna put a lid on it.
I'm gonna blow.
We're gonna put a lid on it.
What? Why you put a lid on it? Why?
So all the steam don't come out.
You a natural, Lil No Knife. You done earned your name.
What?
Y'all see what I did with it?
What?
Y'all see the steam in there? It's like flowing. See, that just pop up because of the steam. It's like boiling, you know? It's doing something. And the reason why it's getting like all blurry and stuff is because of the steam. Y'all wanna know where I get my cooking skills from? Big No Knife.
Huh? What you said? You said?
I said no knife.
She get her cooking skills from Big No Knife.
Oh.
Daddy's Big No Knife.
Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly. Go ahead.
Butter jelly, BBJ, peanut butter jelly time.
PBJ.
Peanut butter.
PBJT. All right, let's make this quick.
Cook it with the cookies. Cook it with the cookies. Okay, so you gonna pour it out in here? You wanna know why? Because the noodles can't come out. Now we're washing the starch off the noodles. It's all in there. I feel good. Okay, so like, when you're trying to do it and you holding this right here, this part right here, you gotta be careful sometimes because sometimes the water goes on there and it could be hot. Show them how to make the bread, no knife.
Boom, all right, cool. So we're gonna take it.
What
We're
you
gonna
doing?
slash a little hole.
What you doing to the bread?
I'm finna show you what I'm doing to the bread. We're gonna slash a little hole in the middle of
Can
all
I
of them.
get two?
Yep, you can get 2 on. Fun fact about my babies, they love them some bread. Every last one of them. Hey, it's called garlic
What
butter.
is that? Daddy, what is that?
That's garlic butter.
I don't think we should use them big knives.
This is not a knife.
That's not a knife.
What you about to do with that bread with that garlic butter on it? No knife?
We
You
gonna
gonna
put it in the oven.
What you drinking, Velo?
Some aqua. Oh.
Spread that good garlic butter all around the top. And remember, I put the little slit in it, so, you know, put you down technique. It's cooked down. Come on, man. You fucking with no knife. You know what I'm saying? I let little No Knife and Baby No Knife take over, but you still fucking with no that. They came from No Knife. Yeah, you talking about? Exactly. Come on, man.
Corn. Let's add some garlic butter to it. What are we gonna put on our corn? No knife?
Garlic butter. Boom, yeah, little No Knife and them getting sleepy. They getting restless on me. They're ready to eat. You know what I'm saying? Look. We're gonna go garlic butter on that corn. Look at that, the garlic butter on that motherfucking corn. Yeah. I'm gonna put you down. Not only do you go garlic butter on there, you go garlic butter, Parmesan cheese on that corn. Garlic Parmesan corn on the cob. Stop it. You know No Knife had to take it to another level. Garlic Parmesan corn on the cob, baby.
Garlic Parmesan corn on the cob.
Quit playing. You
Quit
cooking with
playing
who?
with us.
You cooking with who?
Curd.
Right then. I be trying to tell these folks, I don't think they quite get it, Mo. We got that bread ready. Yes, Lord. Look at that baby. Ooh, that baby sleepy. Ooh, it's just so sleepy, baby. It's just it's just my baby boo so sleepy, Mo. Her just so sleepy. Them babies just so sleepy, ain't it? Ain't it Bookie Fats? It's just my Bookie Fats so sleepy. Let me tell you something about her. She falls asleep while she eat all the time. Parmesan cheese?
So we got some garlic Parmesan corn on the cob, garlic butter brush brioche bread. And next we got the spaghetti and we put in some Parmesan cheese.
Leave it, I'll get it.
That's all I got. Peace.
Boom, you heard what she said. Garlic Parmesan, corn on the cob, garlic butter brush, brioche rolls, spaghetti. A good little classic. We don't do no basic spaghetti. We don't do none of that. You put that basic spaghetti in front of us, what we doing? So we sliding that shit on the floor. Come on, man. You cooking with Kurt, a.k.a. No Knife. And today we had the special guest, Lil No Knife and Baby No Knife. Let's go.